Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Let's check out an example of determining whether a function is continuous at a point. For our example, let's check to see if our function f of x is continuous at x equals 3. I'll define f of x to be this piecewise function. We'll define it as negative 2x plus 1 for x values less than 3, and x squared minus 4x minus 2 for values of x greater than or equal to 3. Well, we need to check three things for continuity. We need to check the limit as x approaches 3 from the left of f of x. Let's do that. We'll plug in 3 to the top function. Negative 2 times 3 plus 1 should get us negative 5. We also need to check the limit as x approaches 3 from the right of f of x. In this case, we'll be plugging in 3 to the bottom function. This will get us 3 squared minus 4 times 3 minus 2. Looks like that'll work out to negative 5 as well. And lastly, for continuity, we need to find f of 3, which is also going to be plugged into the bottom function, still giving us negative 5. That means that our function is continuous because the limit from the left is equal from the limit from the right is equal to the function value. And we say f of x is continuous at x equals 3.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.